Thinking about getting your driver's license in Ontario? Whether you're a teenager, a newcomer, or just ready to start driving, Ontario uses a graduated licensing system. In this video, I'll walk you through each step, from your first test to becoming a fully licensed driver. First, you'll need to get your G1 license. To apply, you must be at least 16 years old. You'll take a written knowledge test on road signs and rules of the road. Don't forget, you'll also need to pass a vision test. Study with the official MTO Driver's Handbook, and when you're ready, go to a drive test center with valid ID and the testing fee. With your G1, you can start practicing driving, but there are rules. You must drive with a fully licensed driver who has at least 4 years' experience. No driving on 400 series highways or high-speed expressways unless with a licensed instructor. No driving between midnight and 5 a.m. Zero alcohol in your system while driving. You'll need to hold your G1 for 12 months, or 8 months if you complete a government-approved driver education course. Next is the G2 license. To get it, you'll take your first road test, where you'll show you can safely drive in regular traffic. With a G2 you can drive on your own, but there are still some restrictions, like having zero blood alcohol if you're 21 or under, and limits on how many passengers you can carry at night if you're a young driver. After at least 12 months with your G2, you can book your second road test. This one checks your highway driving skills, things like merging, lane changes, and handling higher speeds. Once you pass, you'll earn your full G license with no restrictions, and that's it. To recap, pass your written test for your G1, practice and follow restrictions, pass your first road test to get your G2. After gaining experience, pass your second road test for your full G. It takes time, but step by step, you'll earn the freedom to drive anywhere in Ontario. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more practical tips. Safe driving.